Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro!
Kang ESO Head Nani Soron, pati naman po kay Sir Vic Avila sa Kasigabus sa Kasigabus na nagtarabang para mangyari ini yung okasyon ta ko niya na aga. Ang samuya pong pasasalamat sa atong Board of Judges, sa tuyang pasasalamat sa gabus ng mga eskwelahan na nagpartisipar. Maugma po ang kapistahan dahil sa indong partisipasyon, lugod, safe kita gabus, at enjoy ta po ngunyan ang aldaw. Maray na aga, Diyos mabalos giraray sa indo gabus.
Thank you po, Mayor Lenny Robredo. Sa Diraray, good morning po sa Gabos. Happy Peña Francia Fiesta 2025. Buyan na po ang pinakapayokan sa Diyong Parada po sa Diyong kompetisyon ng napagaga. Pinapanutan po kan Uswag Riders Eagles Club Marshall. Yan naman po ang Grand Marshal, headed by Police Colonel Gilbert P. Farinas, PNP, Officer in Charge, Naga City Police Office, Traffic Security Support Group. Yan ang po ang B. Parcel Troop Commander and Staff, headed by Joel S. Bailon, Regional President, Jonathan P. Huerno, Kamsul President, Tomas L. Barandon, 5th District President, Levi San Jose, Naga City President, Reynaldo Albia, Iriga City President, Melquiades Almario Jr., 1st District President, Isagani Lingao, 2nd District President, Hill P. Huerno, 3rd District President, Alan P. Ortua, 4th District President. Followed by the masked callers, led by PNP Naga Caller Officer Bears, Police Captain Hill Ruben III, Caller Officer. Ngayon na po ang masked callers, kan manlaylay ng mga computing schools sa saluya pong 3rd Bicol Region CTP-DRRM MAPEH-Parade Competition. 167 gabos po yan. All right, so we are now going to start Category 1, CTP-DRRM Mixed Company. Entry number 1, Dr. Lorenzo P. Ziga, Memorial High School, Balogo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Ronel I. Peñero. Doven Balingkit, Troop S1. Maria Victoria M. Atos, Troop S2. Rain O. Diaz, Troop S3. Jeff Randall Cervantes, Troop S4. Majorette Leader, Alexa Faith Dizon. DXMC Leader, Jesse Ray Bartolome. Company Commander, Diana Rose Rances. CTP Company XO, Simon Benedict Boniales. First Platoon Leader, CTP-DRRM Boys, John Axel Sericos. Second Platoon Leader, CTP-DRRM Girls, Francine Irish Catalo. School Head, Principal, Dion Rabeje. CTP-MAPEH Facilitator, Jodel Nolasco. Majorates Coordinator, Rose Bandoquillo. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Adrian King A. Nieves. Entry number 1, Dr. Lorenzo P. Ziga, Memorial High School, Balogo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 1, Dr. Lorenzo P. Ziga, Memorial High School, Balogo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 2, no show. Proceed to entry number 3.
Next entry, entry number 3, Salvacion High School, Sipocot, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Rialin Mojares. Troop S1, John Meros. Troop S2, Brian Morandarte. Troop S3, Precious Kasumi Santiago. Troop S4, Charmaine Bongat. Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 3, Salvacion High School, Sipocot, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 4, Rinconada, National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Troop Commander, Sean Daniel Serdan. Troop S1, Grace Taduran. Troop S2, Mark Daniel Ramos. Troop S3, Andrea Elisa Antang. Troop S4, Micah Princess Borromeo. Majorette Leader, Luis Kate Igana. DXMC Leader, Chase Daniel Sangreo. CTP Company Commander, James Marpuri. CTP Company EXO, Gemari Malto. First Platoon Leader Boys, Jake Lawrence Guevara. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Janelle Sofia Mamano. School Head, Miriam Camila. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Edwin Kimba. Romaren Jean Matubis. Majorette Coordinator, Eddie Marie Cabaldera. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Zemri Obogne. Entry number 4, Rinconada, National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 4, Rinconada, National Technical Vocational School, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Next entry, entry number 5, Cararayan National High School. Majorette Leader, Jinri Rigja Flores. DXMC Leader, Mark Angel Radaza. School Head, Principal, Nemia Lozada. Majorette Coordinator, Rona Pomar. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Mon Anthony Maranan. Assistant DLC Coordinator, Rowena Peñalosa. Assistant Majorette Coordinator, Tinky Kahot. Entry number 5, Cararayan National High School, Cararayan, Naga City. Majorette and DXMC only. Thank you very much. Entry number 5, Cararaya National High School, Cararaya, Naga City. Next entry, entry number 6, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Bato, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, John Fred Timothy Dangkalan. Troop S1, Gerald Nicol. Troop S2, Mark A. Serdon. Troop S3, EJ Molina. Troop S4, John David Lanuzga. Majority Leader, Mia Fuentiveros. DXMC Leader, John Cyril Tagumata. CTP Company Commander, Mark Andrew Rodelas. CTP Company XO, Jomel Kyle Labis. First Platoon Leader Boys, JV Valenzuela. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Christine Joy Camino. School Head, Alvin Castañeda. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Police Second Lieutenant Santiago Ramboyong. Reserve Philippine Army, Major Coordinator Joy Argarin. DXMC DLC Coordinator Kent Joseph Samar. Entry number 6, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Bato, Camarines Sur.